Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to create a stunning scene drawing in 3D Paint. These simple steps will bring your digital art to life with beautiful, vibrant colors. So let's start the video. For the beautiful sky, I will make the sky blue using this color code. By adjusting the color code, you can customize the night view to your liking. Next, let's create a light by setting the color of the bright moon by using this color code. And also create the stars. Select spherical from the 3D shape menu. Draw the moon in the sky. Select texture from stickers and drag it like this. Now let's create the landscape. Draw a mountain at the bottom of the canvas. Add trees to your landscape. You can adjust the size of the trees to add variety to the scene. For the finishing touch, use dark green to create the look of leaves. In Paint 3D, creating a beautiful scene drawing. I hope this tutorial was helpful and inspires you to create your own amazing landscape. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.